back. Today we're gonna be making s'mores pizza. So let's get all of the ingredients out. I need butter, sugar, 1 egg, vanilla extract, sugar. I have no clue where the vanilla extract is. Found it. Graham crackers, flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cream of tartar, Nutella, and marshmallows.
Let's bake.
Also, I know that I'm not cooking, I'm baking. But you know what? Baking is a cooking method. Alright, so we have to mix our wet ingredients first. So we need half a cup of butter. So we got the butter. Now I need 1 cup of sugar. Now I need 1 egg. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Alright, we're done with the dry ingredients, and now let's move on to the wet. I meant, what the fuck did I just say? I'm so confused. We're done with the wet ingredients, and now we're gonna do the dry. There, it makes more sense. You know what? This video is getting so boring. I'm gonna ask you guys to ask me questions. I just posted it on my story, and I'll give it some time for people to ask me questions. But right now, I need to smash some graham crackers, because I got actual graham crackers instead of graham cracker crumbs. So I guess I'll just put it in a bowl and like smash it. I don't know. I don't like this angle. I'm back. I finally got my 1.5 cups of graham crackers. It took me over an hour. Oh wait, hold up. Let's answer the questions. Most of them are shout outs. When are we hanging out? I don't know. Make weed brownies. I don't think that's legal because I'm underage. That's about 1 cup, right? I need 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. My voice keeps cracking. Now I need half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Now we mix it. My voice keeps cracking. Alright, now we mix the wet with the dry. It's not like dough consistency. You know what, let me add like a bit of water. Alright, we got our pizza pan. It doesn't say to grease it, but I'm gonna grease it anyway. Oh god. It doesn't really look like dough. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a fail. Okay, I guess we made our dough. Alright, now I guess we slap on the Nutella and marshmallows.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
The crumbs are sticking onto the Nutella and it's like coming off. I mean, it looks pretty good, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Now we add the marshmallows on top. Oh shit. Okay. You know what? Let's FaceTime my mom. She's at home right now. Mom, answer. Oh my god. Oh wait, true. Wait, never mind. They're at the spa right now. My sister and my mom decided to have a spa day without me, so thanks. It's done. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So while that's preheating, I'm gonna answer some questions. Oh yeah, also welcome to my living room. My voice is cracking. Alright, everyone's just asking me for shoutouts. Bella asks, note to self to future Elise editing this. Change my voice and make it
deeper because this isn't working out right now. Thanks.
Did you see the Us movie? No, because I have no one to go to the theaters with because I have no friends. Give me a shout out. Plug. Put my snap in the description box. Shout me out. Hi. That's not a question, but hello. If 2 plus 3 is 4, 9 plus 10 is 21, what's the circumference of the sun? What? Hey Google, what's the circumference of the sun?
How the fuck would I know? I dropped out of school too and I'm not good in math. Ask Siri.
Okay. Hey Siri, what's the circumference of...
I'm flattered to be mistaken for Siri. I admire
Shut
her a
up,
lot.
Google.
I
You asked me
even
to
wrote her
ask
a poem.
Siri.
Google is red, Google is blue, apples are sweet, and Siri is too.
What are you on about? What the... Oh shit, I accidentally posted that. No, delete it, please. I don't know what to do now. I'm bored. It's taking forever to preheat. You know what? Let's talk. Ugh, okay, you're too far up. Once again, I apologize for my voice. Okay, now you're too low. That's great. My sister's... Oh yay, it's done, guys. So I said I wasn't gonna do any shoutouts because all of the questions were, can I have a shoutout? I'm gonna do one because let me explain. So I have this friend Bray, she's from PEI. If you've watched my old videos, you might recognize her. And in multiple videos, she tried shouting out her Snapchat, but I would put a voiceover of my Snapchat. So my Snapchat is Elise_Pablo. Once again, that's ELISE_PABLO. But now I'm giving her a shout out, so you can go add her on Snapchat, follow her on Instagram. Will you be mine? I'm right back where I began. In the arms of a stranger, pretending it's love. I'm literally losing my voice, and I'm not even sick. Well, I'm sick of living, yeah, but I'm not like sick, you know? Ooh, look, it's done. Let's go grab it now. I can't grab it. Oh shit, it's heavy. Oh my god, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Fuck. That looks, not very appetizing. It looks like shit, I know, okay? I'm gonna try it and cut a slice. Guys, I did it. Look at that. I need milk. I got the horses in the bag. Alright, let's see if it tastes like shit or not. The crust is a little undercooked. It's very sweet. There's too much crust, not enough Nutella and marshmallows. Shit, I forgot to turn it off. You know what? I should cancel this TV show. It's not even a TV show. I should cancel this series. I can't cook and I'm hungry. Alright, it's now almost 6 p.m. I got a couple more questions, so I decided to, answer them right before I end this video. And I also got another slice to see if anything's changed. I just want to show you what the problem is. It's not that it's bad, it's just that the crust is too thick. Yeah, it's definitely better when it's colder. Earlier I ate it while it was still hot. Also, like I said, the only problem is the crust. Other than that, it's great. What's your favorite IG account? Arizona from Iqaluit. I'll put the links in the description in case you want to go follow her. Do a morning routine. No thank you, because it's clearly not the morning. What's your thoughts on pineapples? I mean, they are a fruit. They're yellow. Sponges live in them. If SpongeBob is a sponge and he lives in Bikini Bottom, does that make him a tampon? What's your dream vacation? I don't really have a place in mind right now. I just know that I want to travel around the world. I love traveling. It's my #1 passion. I don't really have a dream vacation. Well, I guess my dream vacation would be like traveling the whole world. What's the most useless talent you have? I have chocolate on my finger. That's not a talent. I can do this. It's pretty useless, I guess. Do you ever feel happy with what you're doing now? I don't even know what I'm doing, so how could I be happy with what I'm doing if I don't even know what I'm doing? It's not bad at all. It's actually really good. Wow. I'm gonna end this video now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.